Let's cook special Bagoong Alamang for Kare-kare. This recipe is perfect partner for Kare-kare or any dish. This is also perfect for mangoes and other fruits. So these are our ingredients. 1 kilo bagoong or raw shrimp paste, 10 cloves garlic, 5 medium onion chopped, 1 big ginger shredded, 1 cup sugar, 2 big banana ketchup, 1 bottle white vinegar, and 2 cups cooking oil. Before anything else, please subscribe to our channel. Keep watching! First, heat the oil. Saute the garlic and ginger. Then, add the onion. Add the bagoong or the raw shrimp paste. Add the 1 cup sugar or depending on the sweetness you like. Add the banana ketchup or tomato ketchup if you like, vinegar, and the chilies. Continue to boil until water subsides and paste consistency is achieved. And here is our Bagoong Alamang special for Kare-kare. Enjoy! Please subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching!